Perfect for organizing. Our all-purpose storage containers are perfect for organizing, sorting, and kitchen or pantry storage, miscellaneous craft and hobby materials, toys, such as Lego storage, small hardware items or tools, screws, nuts, bolts, nails, and more. And our clear containers make it easy to see what's stored in every bin. These storage canisters can be purchased in red, yellow, or blue lids for easy organizing. Stackable lid design. The stackable lids and bases were designed with modular use in mind. These containers are stackable for convenient, clutter-free storage, and each container features a wide flip-top lid allowing easy access to whatever item you're wanting to store. The flip lids are wide enough for your fingers to reach inside, or tilt and pour what you need, but also snap shut for transporting. Limited organization space? Not a problem. Stack them as high as necessary to get your jobs done. Food safe, BPA free. We use only the highest quality, BPA free food grade resins, which means, yes, these are safe for everything from baking morsels such as candy, nuts, sprinkles to pet treats. Manufactured from BPA-free polypropylene, these handy storage containers also provide excellent sort and store convenience for your kitchen, RV or pet needs. Heavy duty. This isn't your grandma's plastic. Each container is molded from heavy-gauge polypropylene and is designed to withstand the roughest environment in the kitchen, kids' bedroom, garage storage, or worksite. Made in USA. This 12-container set is manufactured in the USA by hard-working people for hard-working people. Just saying, this has been known to happen. The simple, sturdy design of these bins promise years of reliable service no matter what you use them for. Set contains 8 clear polypropylene containers. Dimensions: inches, 5.5 by 3.75 by 5.5. Top reviews from the United States. Interesting differences in 2 recent batches. I like these very much for storing screws, nails and the like, as the cardboard boxes they come in often fall apart. These appear to be quite sturdy with blue tip-up lids, and the entire top can be readily removed. I found it interesting though, as a first set of 8 I had ordered had slightly different tops that a second set I ordered a few days later. In the photos, the first set has the lid with the skirt shown at the top of the photo, the second set did not. The first set was also branded with the Buddeez name under the blue lid top, the second was not. Not shown is the similar branding of the Buddeez name on the bottom of the clear bottom of the first set, the second set has no branding at all. In all, the second set I received appears to more closely match the Amazon photo for the product. As to the purpose of the skirt, it makes the top removal a bit more cumbersome from the front, although removal is easy from the back in both versions. I suspect the top can be inverted as shown in another photo. The blue tilt-up can be removed separately, to form a pour spout for granular or powder products, although it is not a tight-fitting top. The blue tilt-up does help a bit to keep the inverted lid in place but may block product pouring. I suspect the first batch of these was either an earlier or later lid model designed for some product other than the bits and bolts in the product description. Still, these are rugged containers I expect to last a long time.